how to break in prime factorization already yesterday I explained. Now today let us solve some problem. Okay, got it or not? Okay, now break it into prime factorization. How to do? Am I audible to you properly? Yes, to Sushnata, Norad, am I audible to you? Okay. 63. By 2 at first we have to divide it. We have to take the prime number 2, 3, 5, 7 in such way. But which one will be there? By 2, 63 will be divisible? No, though, because last digit is 3, not even number. It will not be divisible by 63, okay? So that's why which number will take? Take 3, huh? And check whether by 3 it is divisible or not. Look at this. I am doing the rough over there, huh? 3 2s are 6. 3 1 is 3. Yes, so 321. All of you understood? Yes or no? Shulagna, Shirin, Ankita. Okay, okay. Now it is 21. Again, if we take 3, 3 sevens are 21. Na? Yes, Tom. Now 7 is itself a prime number. So no need to do this. Also, you can do this one I told you by 7. 7 1 is 7. Okay. But ultimately it doesn't matter. Look at this. So 63 is equal to 3 into 7. If we have to write all these things. If we don't write this one, there will be any problem? No, to. Farhan Malik, if we don't write this one over there, no problem will be there. So okay. Okay, do it. Paushali, Shulagna and Shirin, sit properly. I cannot see you. Deeptasi, Anushka, understood? Anuvab and Mosha. Trisha, Paushali, Bonusri, understood Tom? Okay, Oishani, Obipsha, even I am unable to see you better. Oishani, Obipsha, the video is black. If you are understood, then Oishani, Obipsha, just send me a sticker. Okay. Acha. Next, Shaud, Ashia, Somdatta, Anjum. Understood? Anjum? Okay. Farzana, Somdatta. Maushim, Ananya, Shuvangi and Farzana. Understood too? Acha, this will be 7. No? Okay. Ashmit, Nushaiba, Shornakshi. Clear? Okay, good. Ishika, Shampriti, Parijat, Wajid. Keep your camera on. Sheikh Aran, Shomodip, keep your camera on. Swarnakshi completed though. Then I am moving for the next one, huh? Number 2. 105. Acha, usually you can divide this by 2, 3, 5. Last digit is 5, so 5 will be definitely there. But less than 5, any less number will be there. Look, if we check by 3, 3 3s are 9, then 1, and this 5 will come. 3 5s are 15. So yes, by 3 it will be divisible. That will be 35. Up to this clear though? Raisa, Afrina, understood up to this? Okay. Then I am doing the next one. If we take 5, directly by mind calculation, we can write 5 7s are 35. Okay. Now look, 7 is there. It is the already prime number. So we can easily stop here. Or if we want to do 717, then this is also correct. Okay. So just wait a minute. Just directly I am writing 105 is equal to 3 into 5 into 7. Got it? Understood this one? Shirin, Anjum, Ankita, Anubhav, Swarnakshi, Anushka. The name I am calling, just do confirm one time whether have you understood or not. Deeptashi, Mousha, Trisha, Paushali. Got it? Okay. Okay. Then I am clearing the screen, huh? I am going for the next question. You have completed this one? Shaud, Ashia, Farzana. I am moving for the next one, okay? Acha, okay. Now write the next question. 30. You can do this one yourself. Okay? What happened, Shaud? Huh? Are you writing? Show me your copy. Shaud? Acha, okay. Acha, if we take by 2, 2 15s are 13, na? Okay. Next, take by 3. 3 5s are 15. You can easily stop here or you can write 5. 1 is 5. Okay. So 30 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5 into 1. You can write or if you don't want, then also no problem. Huh? Now the fourth one. Do the fourth one yourself. Take 225. Shaud, you are not doing anything, na? Are you doing? Acha, okay. By 3, we can easily take this one. Just divide by 3 and check. 225. Last digit is 5, so by 2, it will not be divisible, na? Shirin, sit properly. I cannot see you. Shirin, just keep the camera in such a... yes. I can only see your roof. Acha, okay. Look, 3 sevens are 21. Then 1 will be there. This 5 will be 5 threes are 15. Okay. So if we take 3, it will be 75. Then again by 3, huh? I am doing the division over there. 3 twos are 6. If we take this 5, then again 3 fives are 50. 3 fives are 15. Okay. $25. Then directly by which number? Noras, show me by using your finger. 25 will be divisible by which number? Show it properly. 5. Ah, good. Okay. Now 225 is equal to 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. Achha, write in only one statement, okay, in one line. As there is no space, that's why I have written over there. Write in one line, okay. Anjum, keep your camera on. Oishi, done. Okay. Sushnata, completed. Okay. Acha, Mohammad Sahib, keep your camera on. Mohammad Sahib, Shulagna, Afrina, completed. Then I'll remove this one. Is the screen visible properly? Acha, Oishani, Ovipsha, as you have problem regarding network, okay. So just send me one sticker, one hand raise sticker, okay. If you have completed, Oishani and Ovipsha. Good. Acha, you have understood too? Okay. Trisha, Paushali. Okay. Ankita, Shirin. Now Shirin. Okay. Got it? Okay, then I am clearing the screen, huh? Bonusri, Maushim, Ananya, Shayon, Enakshi. Okay, Anushka. Okay. Now let me do the next one. Number 5th one. 256. 256. Acha, as the unit place, unit digit is 6. It is even number too. So definitely it will be divisible by 2. Now check it by 2. 256. 2 1 is 2. This 5 will be there. 2 2s are 4. 1 and this 6 will be 2 8s are 16. So this one is the quotient. We have to take 2 here and the quotient. Achha, it will be 128. Na? Okay. Bonusri, are you writing or playing with the copy? 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. 128. Bonusri? Now again by 2 look we can take. It will be 128 to 6 to the 12. Then this 8 will come. Sorry. 4 to the 8. Shayan Shashmal, I cannot see you. Only I can see your fan. Shayan, sit properly. So, Swarnakshi, which one we will have to write? This 64 to? Shake your head if yes. Okay. Swarnakshi? Ah. Now again by 2. Look, 3 to the 6. This 4 will come. 2 to the 4. So this 32 will be there. Acha, Shayan Shashmal, Wajid Rahman, Shifa Thak, Deeptasi, keep your camera on. Otherwise, you will be marked as absentee. Okay. Now by 2, yes, now it is okay. So, Shayan, have you understood? So 2, 16 is 32, right? 2, 8, 2, 4. Now this one is very much easy. At first complete up to this. Swarnakshi understood? Okay. Prativa, Parijat, Somdatta and Dishika. Sheikh Irfan, Sheikh Arhan and Shoikot. These 7 students. Keep your camera on, otherwise I will mark you absent. Okay, now write 256 is equal to. Acha, don't do any mistake. Just count how many 2s are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 2s are there. Okay. Don't make any mistake. So write 2 into 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 2. Achha, I have, as there is no space, as there is not enough space, that's why I have written it like this. Write in only one sentence. Shoikot, now I will check your copy. The 6th one I'll give you, you will have to do yourself. The 6th one, 84. The 6th one is 84. Sampriti, Paushali done. Ankita and Shaud, not done. Okay, I'm waiting. Don't worry. I'm waiting for 3 minutes. Okay. Those who have completed up to 5th one, then the 6th one. Okay, 6th one, do it yourself. 84. I'll help you. Don't worry. But at first, try yourself. Try yourself. Okay. Yes. Now I can see Oishani and Ovipsha. Only one student Where? Ah, yes. Now it is okay. So, have you understood? Show me that sweet, sweet faces. Ah, okay. Okay, okay. Network issue is there, beta? Acha, acha, acha. Okay. Acha, I'll remove it. I'll clear the screen. All of you done too? All the students? Mausha, done. Up to fifth one. Shoikot? Okay. Paushali, Trisha, Aiza, Afrina. If you have not done one thing you can do, you can take a screenshot, though it will be uploaded in the study material section. Okay. You have understood, though this one is a very long question. That's why maybe you have not completed. Okay. Now I am doing the sixth one. 84, huh? Just divide 84 by 2. 4 2s are 8. 2 2s are 4. Yes, so 42. 2 and 42 is over there. Next, Shulagna doing or just sitting? 2. 2 2s are 4. This 2 will be there. 2 1 is 2. Yes. So 21. Now 3. 3 sevens are 21. 7 1 is 7. Got it? So what we can write, Raisa? What will we write? 84 is equal to this one into form? Yes, to? Okay. Shampriti, you will show me your copy at first, okay? At first complete this one, then 2 into 2 into, acha, let me write it in one line, huh? Wait for a minute. Done, Tom? Acha, write the homework. Write the homework. 175. Break it into prime factorization, huh? Number 2, 96. Number 3, 88. Write the homework. Prime factorization. Acha, how will you submit the homework? Huh? Just I have given only three questions now. So I will not give this question in assignment section, but your answer will be in the assignment section. Just like exam, we created a blank assignment. Now the same thing will be there. I'll create a blank assignment. Okay, in that blank assignment, you will have to submit this 3 ISW. Got it? Understood, Tom? Okay. Acha, now show me your copy one by one. Let me take the name.